Welcome to Church Central Cloud. In this video, I would take you through how to configure your communication settings for your church. To do that, you need to go to the communication section under engagement. So click engagement, you see the communication tab, click it. That takes you to your communication dashboard. Okay. Now, to configure your church communication branding, yeah, you need to click the branding there. So what this does is enables you to configure how the signature part of your emails would look like in your church. So first you do, you can click here, and that should enable you to add, yeah, so to add any logo of your church. So I'm just going to add the church central logo here. Yeah. So upload that. Okay. And that gives you that. Okay. Now here is where you can add your pastor's picture. Okay. So you can choose a picture of your pastor here. So let's open that, and I'm not sure what that. Okay, so you can choose the picture of the pastor there. Okay, I'm just doing this for example. And then here is where you can configure the email signature. So example, with love and blessing, the Grace Family Church, put your address, phone number, and your website. So this, once this is configured, yeah, you save the branding, yeah, you save it. And what this means is that anytime you send email out, this is how it will look. So you click this show. So this is how it will look. So you see this is the name of the church. You see the logo, the name of the church, and then you have the church pastor's image here, and anything that you've written here, yeah, would appear in this place. So that way your church email is always professionally going out. And this is configured once. You don't need to configure this unless something changes. You want to change your pastor's um, um, name, and then you can add your pastor's um, name here. Yeah. Yeah, so you can add the pastor's name there, and then so that appears there. You can love from Grace Family Church. Okay, yeah. So you put that and that. So the body of the email is here, and then your details is here. So this will be your church pastor's senior pastor's picture here. Okay, so this is how you configure your email branding. Very important, because the professional outlook of your email is also very important for your church image, church branding. How people view your church is also something that you can improve through your church communication. Okay, I hope this helps you to get your communication right. God bless you, and see you next time.